leg press hack squat machine. It has two functions. We'll go through both of them. So both are leg exercises for powerful legs. Compound movements because they move through two joints. So at the hip and at the knee there's movement, so multiple muscle groups are being utilised. Quads, hamstrings and your glutes will be the main movers on this. At the moment Andy's set up for the leg press function. He needs his feet up here or down there, either is fine. In an even stance, about shoulder width apart is usually fine. You want to lift the handle on the side, slide the seat forward to your shortest range so you can get a full range of motion out of your movement. And from there, Andy's going to push through his feet, through the midfoot, all the way back till his legs are almost straight, not quite, don't lock them out, just soft, and then all the way back in. And again, like most leg exercises, we'll work with 10 to 15, even 20 rep range, and maybe 3 or 4 sets on this would be great. To change this from a leg press into a hack squat, we're going to pull this pin here, adjust the seat pad down to flat, let it click in, and then these shoulder pads here, Andy's put his head between them, hands go on the handles here, and he's going to be moving his feet to the higher platform, although the lower one still does function on this, and then he will push through his heels on this. Same thing, legs, all the way back to almost locked, and then all the way back in. Same adjustment point on the side that we used on the leg press is applicable here as well. So Andy should take himself into a full range, and this will be his start position from here. All the way back. So again, quads, hamstrings and glutes are the main movers in this one. If you guys are still having trouble or want some more advice, want some more help with this, hit the link below or come see us downstairs. We'll book in a one-on-one and we'll help you chase those goals together.